Android Thinking Systems online, Scout Unit online. Scout, report to the left lower presentation room and activate the hologram projector. The view is spectacular, but you need to move on to the objective. We have intercepted and will be rescuing research ship Atlas 4, a science class ship with towing capacity. This is a 3D map of the Atlas 4 and the asteroid in tow. Feel free to move around the room to change your perspective. The asteroid in tow is classified, but is considered a valuable asset. Atlas 4 has been off course and unresponsive to communications for an unacceptable amount of time. It is our job to correct its course or to secure it until other representatives arrive. There are 3 science stations working on the asteroid. Their status is unknown as they have no means of communication. There is no physical connection to the Atlas to avoid any contamination. All movement between these, as well as different bridges on the Atlas, is performed by transporters. Our goal is to avoid interaction with as much of the ship in operation as possible. Atlas consists of an engineering center used to move the asteroid. Sensors detect a large amount of radiation in this area, incompatible with human or android life. A housing, recreation, cafeteria area for the crew. The command bridge. We will attempt to take control of the ship through this area. Sensors confirm there is no life in this area, with slight radiation contamination. Activate either terminal again to hear these instructions. This is a 3D map of the command bridge. Feel free to move around the room to change your perspective. You will be transported to this area. The breaker system is shown here. You will need to use the breaker module to restore power to the bridge area. These are the 2 simplest paths to the breaker box. This area is compromised. I am unable to detect the extent of damage, but I can tell you the entire bridge area is flooded with some type of radiation. The total contamination dictates the pathways are open, but be prepared to improvise. Move and restore power as quickly as possible. You are the last scout unit. Although this is a simple task, I cannot overstate the importance of our success. I have opened the last case behind us. Once you pick up the breaker board, proceed to the rear room, step onto the platform, and I will transport you to Atlas 4 command bridge. Activate either terminal again to hear these instructions.
I have made a miscalculation. Your suit is taking damage. Move quickly to the breaker box. You have picked up an upgrade module. We will explain this later. Move quickly. The control board is placed. Energy is restored. Life supports are functioning at 100%. However, I am unable to take control of the ship at this time. Scout, I need you to explore the ship and figure out where the control system failures are or what is blocking the controls. This system allows you to use the upgrade module you picked up earlier. Your unused modules show as a number below your energy bar. It is highly recommended you spend this first point in energy regeneration. Transportation system. Activate it to select a destination. Some destinations have contamination. Be careful not to venture into areas that are too dangerous for your current upgrade modules. Activate this archive station to save your progress. Step into this medical chamber to restore energy and health. These screens will show your next objectives. Complete them and we should be able to gain control of the ship. Excellent luck, a scout blaster. Use this to defend yourself. This is the recall platform. At any time, you can return to this room, which will function as our base of command by activating your recall module. The system will lock on you in 5 seconds. If your life support fails, an automatic recall will bring you back to this room.